Good afternoon guys, and welcome to another STM video. Today we're going to be looking at how to export data from GeoEnviron into Microsoft Excel. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing in Microsoft Excel is querying the data, so drawing data from the database into Microsoft Excel. And we do this by going to From Other Sources, and from there clicking from Microsoft Query. And then here you'll see that you have your data sources available. Now your data sources are essentially going to be either GeoEnviron Live or GeoEnviron Test. It's just because we have lots of databases that we have all these options here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select the demo server, which is where we do all our demo work on. From here you see a whole lot of information here in the Microsoft Query Wizard, and this is essentially going to be telling you what element of the database you're going to be bringing from GeoEnviron into Microsoft Excel. So guys, for your purposes, what we're going to be looking at is exporting the site table, which is how we get all the information related to a site in GeoEnviron, such as the site name, site type, anything in that top bar of GeoEnviron. So what we do here is we simply type site, and you can see it will jump straight down. And then we click this arrow here, and this exports all these fields in the query into Microsoft Excel. So it's really simple guys, we just go next, 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 and finish, and then select A1, which is where we want to return the data. And then it exports all the data for us. And you can see here we've got stuff like the site sequence number, which is the unique field that is given to each site, the ID, the name, its size and the address. So it's a really useful trick this to export data from GeoEnviron into Microsoft Excel, where you can play around with it a bit more, perhaps run some statistical analysis on it. So guys, as you can see, we've successfully exported out all the site information, and that might be as far as you want to go for today. Obviously it's a lot of data to take on board and might be more than you need. However, if you do want to sort of expand your knowledge here and work out how to export from other tables out of GeoEnviron, so how to get all the information that you want, then keep watching and we will demonstrate how to do that. So if you remember the Microsoft query that we ran, we inputted the information for site to come out into Microsoft Excel. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to be finding out which information correlates to what in the GeoEnviron database. So to do that, we're going to go and open up the demo server. I'm going to find and retrieve a site. There you can see the auto retrieve feature popping up there, which will help with environmental site investigations in the new version of 8.1. Now let's go to this Hengrove Way server station, and you can see that there's GIS coordinates that we want to export out. Now the trick to working out which query to run in Excel is to right click in a field, click properties, and you can see here that it gives you the front end of the query, which is X site map sheet, and then the second bit of the query, which is X coord. So guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go back into Excel here, so we're going to jump right back in. We're going to open up another sheet and do the same thing again. We're in the data panel, from other sources, from Microsoft Query, and then we're going to go and link to the demo server. But this time we're going to query by X site map sheet. So if we go to X and then keep scrolling down, you'll see X site map sheet. Query that over there. Click next, 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 and finish. Select A1. And there you can see guys, it's exported out all the information for the coordinate values and all the things that were involved in that specific table of GeoEnviron. We've now got the X coordinates, the Y coordinates, and other features like that, which is really handy for some of you who want to sort of edit polygons and things like that outside of GeoEnviron. So guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the down bar of the video where we'll have some other information and useful links, including links to the website where you can check out all our services, As well as that, we've got our Twitter page where we post regularly, and of course the YouTube page where we post these software support videos that hopefully will help you get better at using the software. So guys, until next time, thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our channel, like and subscribe.